Maybe not everyone would want to turn this feature on. However, if you are a person that is usually losing your phone or people just so happen to steal your phone, maybe it's time that you consider turning this feature on. It's the auto factory reset, and if the person finds your phone and they try to unlock your phone 20 times and it's the wrong password, your phone is going to reset completely. This is going to help protect your data and any information from being stolen. It's a double-edged sword kind of feature, but to protect yourself, I would recommend going there. So this is the Galaxy A55 smartphone, and here's where you can go to do this. When you're ready to do this, you'll want to go into the quick panel access, tap on the settings icon here, and then you'll go down to where it says lock screen. Once you're in this section here now, you will see some other options, and you want to go to where it says secure lock settings. This is only going to be available if you already have your password set up, by the way. So you'll go here. You'll have to put in your password. And if you want to write down my password, that's up to you, as it won't do you anything. Then you will see these secure lock settings options. And the one you're looking for is this one here. I did another video explaining the others, but this one is rather a very, shall I say, important one. It's an auto factory reset. So after 20 incorrect attempts to unlock your phone, it will be reset to factory default settings and all data will be erased, including files and downloaded apps. Wow. So basically everything is going to be cleared out. So if the person finds your phone, they're trying to unlock it for the longest a while, and they have reached 20 incorrect attempts, your phone's going to reset. Now this is going to be really useful if you have lots of personal information, passwords, credit card information, debit card, all that stuff on your phone. You have a lot of heavy personal information on your phone and you don't want nobody getting access to that. I would recommend this so that at least whoever gets your phone won't be able to get your phone data. Okay, it's up to you to decide that. Think clearly, and as always, you should always have backup to anything that's personal and private onto another device or another storage device that you can fall back onto if ever you need to get that information back, okay? But I would recommend this if you are very used to losing your phone or people stealing your phone, all right? And you can turn this off if you don't like it later on, like and sub.